Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect phone in Ecosport. Start by enabling Bluetooth on your phone and open the sync audio settings. Follow prompts to search for devices, select your phone on the car screen, and confirm the PIN when it appears on both devices. If asked, allow contacts and messages access to enable hands-free calling and media. I will walk through troubleshooting tips for common pairing issues and simple fixes. Begin by making your phone discoverable in Bluetooth settings and keeping the phone near the car console. On the Ecosport screen, navigate to sync, choose Add a Device, and wait while the system searches. When your phone appears on the car display, tap it and verify the PIN matches on both screens. Accept any permission prompts for contacts and messages to enable full hands-free features and smoother media playback while driving. If pairing stalls, restart your phone and the car to clear temporary glitches and try again. Remove old or unused Bluetooth connections from both the sync list and your phone to prevent interference. Check for software updates on your phone and the car system because compatibility issues can block pairing. If audio or calls still fail, toggle permissions for contacts and media, then repair the devices to restore full functionality and reliable hands-free use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.